Hi everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. But before we begin, how about you go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can get all my videos directly to your mailbox. If you're looking for inspiration to decorate your home on a budget, you've come to the right channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, which are pillows. Yes, I love how pillows can change a decor instantly without breaking the bank. Over the course of the years, I've changed my pillow covers several times in my living room, and each time I just basically mix and match everything. So I tried to pick out a common color, which is the black and the white, and that's how I start changing my colors. And of course, animal print is always in the mix. So here I just did a mixture of mud cloth and animal print to bring out the style that I wanted for the room at the time. And this is the look that I've had for a while. And then I just wanted to play around, and I brought in the Dalmatian white print, which is, I thought, great because it brought out more white. And on the mud cloth pillows, I added more white as well. So as you see, I'm just changing the patterns on the pillows, but I'm still trying to keep it in common, with the style. And for the chair, I also added a tan raised velvet pillow for the style. And that was good, but then it was time for a new look from the mud cloth. So I found this free Chiang Ming dragon print fabric at a store in Charleston. So that I wanted to try to experiment with in the room and made some pillows. And this is how it looks in the room. Now, of course, that fabric was a bit clashy with the mud cloth, but I did keep them there until I found something different. I wanted to focus only on those two pillows and try to come up with something that would go on the settee in that space. So I was thrifting at a restore, and they had bolts of fabric. And in there, I found this graphic gray print, and I fell in love with it. And the cost for that bolt of fabric was just $8. Now, I never thought gray would be a great color, but actually, take a look at how it looks on the settee now. I love that color, and since the gray is inside the Chiang Ming dragon fabric and also the chinoiserie Tootsie Roll pillow, and of course black and white definitely goes with gray, I feel quite comfortable having this pattern in there now. And styled with the DIY graphic planter that I did last summer, I think this is a nice change for the summer. So it changed the look of the style of the room without breaking the bank. Added a couple of new coffee table books, and that completes the look. So just remember, when you want to change the look of a room, just remember the powerful punch of pillows and how they can refresh your room instantly. I hope you were inspired by this video, and if so, go ahead and give it a like, and also drop me a comment. And please don't forget to share and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.